loose in my heart and give relief. I am but a lonely voice, don't let me die in grief. Let the tears I cry not be in vain.
How can I survive without you?
How do we survive when the cold hands of death snatches our loved ones? No matter how close we are with them, we tend to forget them in ticking time.
We're not talking of death, Joe.
But today, in my heart, I see myself dying. I see myself dying, Najah. The essence of life is love. And when love is killed, the heart dies.
Let the mountains fall to the ocean floor.
You're raining tears in my eyes, Joe.
Of what use would the tears that rain from your eyes be when it cannot quench my thirst? You're raining water as tears, and yet I am dying of thirst.
I swear on my life, Joe, I will never stop loving you. For as long as water quenches thirst, the sea of my love will never make you thirsty. Inasmuch as the sun brightens the day and the moon lights up the night, my love for you will never quench.
How long do we survive in this hide-and-seek affair? You're the daughter of a judge, a justice.
Love only knows one language: oneness. It knows no boundary. Joe, let's go to a place where we could spend the rest of our life loving each other.
And incur the wrath of eloping. Oh. Go, Najah. Obey your father.
You're turning my love to poison.
When would all my worries pass so I can love?
If you love me, then you'll obey and understand me. Please, Najah, just go.
Joe.
No more words from you. Don't say anything. Please. Najah, leave. Leave. Leave, Najah, now.
How could you be so blind that you don't feel my pains? The pains of a broken heart tied up in chains. Let the mountains fall to the ocean floor. Let the stars above all stop to shine no more. You will always live.
Make love to me. Break my virginity. Take my pride.
Here in my heart where you belong. When would all my worries pass so I can love again? The song of a love denied, struggling in the rain. How could you be so blind that you don't feel my pains? Pains of a
It is with these eyes that I see, and it is with my heart that I feel. Hey, boom, ti 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 ti, boom. I can feel this beat when I see you.
That no man can resist. Najah, Najah Sabah. Oh Najah, you are so beautiful. Oh Najah, you are so pretty. Oh Najah, you are an angel. Oh Najah, Najah Sabah. Oh Najah, Yvon.
Excuse us, sir. My baby. How long are these tears going to last? Or are they tears of joy?
No, Father. These dreams of tears tell the sorrows and pains you're putting me through.
You may not know what I'm doing for you now, but soon you'll learn to appreciate me as a loving father. I'm putting you in a good home, in a home of comfort, a royal home, in the hands of a prince who will one day become king.
I don't love him, Father.
If you love me, then you must love him. I've told you the story. His father is the reason why I'm a justice of this republic. And now I want to show my appreciation and gratitude. My beautiful princess is nagging.
So, Father, you still think to appreciate a good deed is by sacrificing your own daughter's happiness? No, Father, you don't love me.
We've talked about this for many years, haggled and hassled about it. All because of some peasant boy with no future?
That's not true, Father. He's got a brilliant future, with a dream of becoming the Inspector General of Police someday.
Now I know why you've got this idea in your head that you want to go into the police academy. I want you to finish your law degree and become a lawyer. You'll continue with law school after the engagement.
That's not true, Father. I won't. That you stop me from marrying him does not mean you can stop me from living in his dream. No one can. No one, Father.
Oh Najah, you are so beautiful. Oh Najah, you are so pretty. Oh Najah, you are.
Your in-laws are here.
I'm aware. What's the result?
It's a plus. The seed Joe planted in her has now germinated. She's now 2.
Excuse me, please. Azizat, please tell me you're kidding.
To protect what? Najah, I told you those experiences were for the early stages of pregnancy. You are pregnant. Now have it. Joe now lives in you.
What do you suggest I do? The prince has never seen my nakedness.
If you want my candid opinion, I suggest a DNC.
I can't. I can't kill two souls. Joe sees himself dead for losing me. I'll keep it.
Now that protocol and tradition have been observed, I demand therefore that we see the beauty for which we are here today.
Your Highness, your demands are orders in this home. Therefore, I will do anything to please your heart. Please, bring the pride of my home. Your Royal Highness, Najah Saba, the pride of my home, I present her before your royal presence.
That is my custom, your man. Let the wind blow, that we may see the face of the queen-to-be, whom you have presented before these noble royals, lest we go before a battlefront unarmed.
What a noble saying. Please oblige His Royal Highness. Unveil her.
Wow! What a beauty before my noble eyes. Wipe your tears, child. Son,
Father,
is she the reason for which we are here? If so, what do you have to tell us?
truly, Father, she is the reason for which we have gathered here. But these tears I see, raining down those angelic eyes, are not that of joy, but pains and sorrows. I therefore, as a noble prince, request that she speaks in front of these noblemen and women gathered here to witness this engagement. Will you, Najah Saba, be my bride? Najah Saba, do you wish to be my wife? For the third and last time, Najah Saba, would you be my engaged bride?
I'm sorry, my prince. I will answer your question in good faith. But first, I would like to speak to my father privately.
Granted.
Now, what more do you want to say, Najah? What more do you want to say? After embarrassing me in front of my noble in-laws and friends? Huh? That was the limit, Najah. That was the limit. What more do you want to say? I'm all ears. I'm waiting.
Stop fighting and listen. I have the right to my own decisions, don't I?
Not at this point in time, Najah. It's rather too late. All I want to hear from you is that you'll go down there and marry the prince. That's all I want to hear.
No, Dad. It was confirmed today that I have a seed growing in me.
Meaning?
The one seed Joe planted in me has received life. I have Joe growing inside of me. I'm pregnant for him.
Oh, God! If this be true, I swear by the Lord that you'll cease to be my child.
Father, I am not scared of your threats. I'm only scared of hurting you. Because I love you. I love you, Father. I just want you to know the truth. But I'll do that which you want me to do. I'll marry the prince. But on the condition that I must keep this baby.
How possible is that? How possible?
You think of something, but I must keep this baby.
Just go tell the prince that you'll marry him. That's all I want to hear. We'll talk about this later.
Your love is hurting. In my heart it rains. My teardrops running like a train.
Cherry.
A life of pain and sorrow.
You really don't love me, do you? Najah, I'm talking to you. Do you love me? Naj, look me in the eyes and tell me whether you love me. Naj, do you love me or not?
Cherry, I can look into your eyes 1,000 times and say to you that I don't love you. Just ask me to marry you and I'll say yes. But don't talk about love, because I don't love you.
So why then would you accept to marry me?
Because I want to start loving you. I want my father to be happy.
Close your eyes, Naj.
Why?
Just do it. Tell me, who do you see?
Sure.
Which picture do you see in your heart?
Joe.
So where do you find me?
Your voice I hear, but I can't see you.
Very well then. I'll call off the engagement.
No, don't. Please teach me to love you.
My heart is heavy. Oh, this broken dream. It seems so scary. And my legs are weak. How could I ever lose you? How could true
You are so beautiful. Oh, Najah, you are so pretty. Oh, Najah, you are an angel. Oh, Najah, you are so pretty.
Now the moment we've all been waiting for. Would you, Najah, declare before His Royal Noble Highness, King Bonsu, and His Lordship, Justice Kofi Saba, and all these wonderful and noble people gathered here, would you, Najah Saba, be my engaged bride?
Yes. Azizat, please, I will need you to help me give the ring back to him. I can't stand his presence.
You insisted on returning his ring. Do it yourself.
How can I? When I've promised and declared to love and marry another man?
Did he ask you to return his ring?
He didn't have to. I know what is right.
What do you want?
In this house, my finger was adorned with a bridal banner. Your engagement ring. You anointed my heart with your love, your selfless love.
But today you've engaged another. How strange the road to love.
But those in love are never left fuming forever.
Your love has kicked up storm against me.
The storm will fade like smoke amidst wind. Then we shall tell our story.
This is a mystery that cannot be told.
Someday, good times will come seeking us. Lovers never lose heart.
Go, Naj. Go. Stop burning my heart with your presence. Just leave.
Because I possess you even in your breath.
I've lost my breath of love. You don't belong here anymore.
Joe, I know how you feel. But I want you to understand you've taken over Najah's heart. Her love for you is deeper than the ocean.
So she says. I have seen the shores and boundaries.
I've seen that you've hardened your mind. Here. I'm no longer comfortable with it.
Do whatever you please with it.
You were the first man in my life. You made me a woman. I'll never forget you. As long as I have breath in me. Bye, Joe.
Turn your back on me. Take away the sorrows in my heart and give relief. I am but a lonely voice. Don't let me die in grief. Let the tears I cry not be in vain for love I feel. Let the mountains fall to the ocean floor. Let the stars above all stop to shine no more. You will always live. You will always be.
You went to see him, eh?
Right here in my heart where you belong. When would all my worries pass so I can love again? A song of love denied. petals fall to the ocean floor. Let the stars above us up to shine no more. You will always live. You will always
What's the meaning of this?
be right here in my heart where you belong.
The things lovers usually go through are senseless to those who do not know what love is. I don't expect you to know what I'm going through.
You think so?
Azizat, I want to be alone.
My heart is heavy. Oh, this broken dream. It seems so scary. And my legs are weak. How could I ever?
Have you told him about the pregnancy?
It is his right to know.
But you promised not to tell.
Well, I broke the promise.
Azizat, call him, and you must convince him that you terminated the pregnancy before you got here. Call him and tell him if you want to keep this pregnancy.
You don't go there. Because I must keep my baby. Joe will never step a foot into this house. Not after what you've done to him.
Azizat, take me to him.
Hello?
Joe. I'm carrying your baby.
You what?
I'm pregnant for you.
Does your dad know about this?
Yes, I'm aware of my daughter's pregnancy.
Your Lordship.
I see why you're after my daughter at all costs. You miserable little fortune hunter.
Poverty is indeed a curse. Your Lordship, I am no two-penny lover. My love is innocent. It is what both hearts has given to each other that is speaking for us. I might look a wreck, but my love is rich enough to bring a justice of the Republic into my pit of a hole.
You set fire to the tail of a tiger and you have the guts to put your hand in its mouth? Let me tell you, if I see you by my daughter again, I'll put you behind bars.
Behind your threat lies the defeat of a father. You have shown your weakness. But I tell you today, love is sacred and it must not be bestowed on anyone. Please give my happiness back to me.
You're mad!
Thank you very much. But don't forget, you're still seeking your daughter from me, a madman.
I swear by the law that if I catch you near my daughter again, every breath you take will be taken into account till you are dead.
When a justice of the Republic, a custodian of law, begins to pour threats like a man who knows no law, then his strength can be compared to that of a child. In any case, I have a score to settle with your daughter. She is carrying my baby.
We'll be terminating it right now.
Good luck, your lordship. Stop tormenting me. Stop tormenting me. For 2 years now, you've been haunting my life. What do you want from me? I'm no longer interested in your daughter or anyone else. Go and swim in your oceans of wealth and let me wallow in my poverty. What? What is it?
It's okay, Joe.
It's not okay. It's not okay. I've had enough of Najah and this whole relationship. I've had enough. What is it you want from me? What is it?
Man, check that girl.
What girl?
This is Crystal, man. This is what a British man would say, Chris. Man, that girl, man. Ooh, check those legs. Oh, God, it's true, man. You are a perfect architect. See the way he curved those legs. Man, so sexy. I could even bite into it, huh?
Crazy little girls. Look, they see school campus as clubhouse. Can't you see they're almost naked in the name of fashion?
Oh, they are crazy, yes. Old-fashioned is what you are. Those girls are the shizzling in town, man. Can't you see they are the happening babies? You see, wait, see that one on the right? That one on the right. That's my dream girl. I can even smell her perfume here. It's true, man. That girl is expensive.
Dream on, Mr. Dreamer. For information, those girls are big-time girls. They go out with government officials and big-time ministers.
Forget what big...
You don't even have good clothes to put on. Please, forget.
What are you talking about? Man, this is designer. Can't you see? Watch, man. I got label. What you talking about? See, you are not worthy of my friendship. No, you cannot call me your friend. You are a disgrace. You are a disappointment, Kwame. How can you call me your nigga, your pal, and you don't know what I am capable of? Eh? Listen, bro, I can get that girl stuck naked on my bed tonight. She will be speaking in Spanish. Speakiento, moriento.
Roger, stop being a fool. Eh?
Okay, if I'm a fool, at least I'm not stupid like you. Watch me do my thing. Since you are dull, I need to show you how we do it. This is how we do it. Follow me, check me out, man. Know how I do. First, I don't start without a phone.
Go and embarrass yourself. I'm ready to laugh.
Yeah, hello, son. Hello, fam, Brizzle. God bless the day that my eye caught your beautiful faces. You know you are that missing rib I have been searching for. Okay, try this one. Hi, girls.
How may we help you, schoolboy?
Schoolboy. Well, it's not how you can help me, it's how I can help you. You see, from the moment that my eye caught you, my hat also caught me and catapulted me to another spot. Then I knew you were the missing rib I have been searching for. So I was thinking if me and you could just talk aside.
What do you want?
Well, like I said, it's rather what you want. You see, your beauty marvels me. Your beauty really marvels me. And I was just thinking, if we could talk, or probably we could even go for a drink. If you want to drink Bacardi Breezer, caviar, Red Label, whatever you want, Johnny Walker, you can walk all the walk, I pay all the pay.
I don't drink with strangers. And what are you called?
Okay, I'm sorry I didn't mention my name. Might be because of your beauty. But all my friends call me Roger. You can simply call me R to the O, J-E-R, Roger, King of Kings and Science Limited.
Eve, you know what? It's only in school that small boys come up to big girls like us to ask us out.
You know what, Ivy? Give Roger here some money for lunch. I'm very sure he's hungry by now.
Yeah.
You know how schoolboys do.
Here, have it.
What is all this embarrassment for? Huh?
You started the embarrassment first by approaching girls above your status. Now just get out of my sight.
I'm an important person on this campus. You can't treat me anyhow, okay? You can't treat me anyhow.
Watch me go do my thing. Watch me go do my thing. FOOL, you a fool. I told you not to go there. You see?
I have not been insulted in my life like this. I'm gonna get that girl back. You joking with me? You let's go. I'll
Watch me
get
go
that girl.
do my thing.
She'll be okay. Make sure she doesn't do any tedious work. Her heart condition is not too good. Yes, and make sure you look through this list and don't allow her to eat any cholesterol foods.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay.
How are you feeling, Mommy?
Much better. Just keep praying for me.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too, son. You didn't come with the young girl you told me about. Didn't you tell her your mother is not well?
Mommy, you don't need that now. Just get well first, okay?
Joe, I need you to get married and get me a grandchild.
Mommy, you can't be talking about this here. What are you doing, Mommy? This is not the right place to be talking about this. We'll talk about that some other time. Just lie down now. Lie down.
I'll miss you.
I know, and I'll miss you too. But come on, babe. It's only 5 years, okay? Finish my studies, come back home, husband and wife.
I'll miss your friendship.
I know, but come on. Tell me you love me.
I love you.
I love you too. Be good, okay? Remain faithful and come on. If you want to come over, just do. Alright?
No problem.
My homeboy. Don't worry, man, you have not seen a ghost. This is R to the O, J-E-R, Roger, King of Kings and Science Limited, my brother.
Am I dreaming?
You're not dreaming. How can you dream when the sun is shining? It's real, man. This is for real. R to the O, J-E-R is about to execute a job he started.
You robbed the bank.
Me? Rob a bank? Are you stupid? All you see on me here are all tools, artilleries to execute the same job.
And if I may ask, what job is that?
You do remember that girl, Eve?
Yeah, Eve.
She had the audacity to call me a small boy. Meanwhile, she is a small toy. And had the nerves to give me money for breakfast. Now, today is the day. The day has come. I'm taking her out to any place of her choice. Thrill her, and after that, she's going to find herself stuck naked on my popo latex Cadillac, dancing popoli popo.
Out to the O-J-E-R.
Yeah.
Roger,
Yeah.
you still haven't answered my question. All I'm saying is that where did you get the money for all of this? Because if I can remember very well, this morning I gave you 2 Ghana cedis for breakfast.
Around, what's the problem? Listen, it's true you gave me 2 Ghana cedis. Don't shout about it. Huh? Listen, you know I'm a smart boy. So I played the first one on my uncle. Yes, I told him my mother is sick. So he gave me 250 Ghana cedis. My brother, that's a lot of money. 250. I rented this Walla for 100 Ghana cedis. 50 for my shoes and suit from Sammy's Outfits. My brother, 150 Ghana cedis has changed my life. My brother, see how I'm shining. I'm shining, bro. I'm shining.
Roger.
Yeah, bro.
You're a fool.
Well, you can add senseless to it, but it doesn't matter. The most important thing in life is to achieve what you want. And that girl is my dream. I see that girl when I wake up. I see that girl. In fact, I feel her. Anyway, forget all that. Have you ever drove in a car like this? Have you ever dreamt in being in a car like this? My brother, hop into this whip and let's do something, man. This is between me and you. Listen, don't shout. I'm not going to shout. Okay? I want you to be my driver for today. I'll sort you out. This is between me and you. Homeboy to homeboy.
Roger, you're a foolish fool.
Eh? Me? Foolish fool. But already you're a stupid fool to be walking with me. But no problem though, let's roll, man. I'll sort you out.
Forget it.
Oh, I said, what's your problem, man? I said, I'll sort you out. Let's do this, man. Huh? Play me big boy.
Roger, I swear if you don't sort me out, I will reveal everything.
I swear to you, I'll sort you out. What's your problem? Eh? Get into the solid wheel, man. What you talking about? Quack! Quack! Hey, homeboy. That's what we're talking about. This is solid. Listen here, man. The homeboy's in town. Roll it, boy. Oh, boy. Man, are you telling me that this girls live in such a big house like this?
You're scared, right? You're scared. I told you these girls are big girls. Don't go there. You won't listen.
My brother, even though they live in heaven, I will show you that with special arrangement, hell and heaven can be on the same page. Watch me do my thing. Hello, is there a certain damn Brazil here called Eve?
Yes, sir.
Ask her to come before my present.
Oga, please, your name?
Describe my Gibrando to her.
Yes, sir.
It's you again.
R to the O-J-E-R, Roger, King of Kings and Sands Limited. I was around watching at the bay when a friend of mine told me you live around. So I just decided to come around and take you out for a treat.
You want to take me out for a treat?
Any place above first class is okay for me.
Whoa. Is that your car?
Like I said, that's one of my Gibrandos.
And what's your name again and what do you do for a living?
R to the O-J-E-R, Roger, King of Kings and Sands Limited. Now, I'm a businessman. I import computers from Japan, China, Korea. Mention it, they all know me. And also a law student. I'm heading for the bar.
Oh, that's brilliant. Can I bring my friend along? You know, you're a stranger. This is the first time.
No problem. No problem.
All right then, excuse me.
All right. I told you I'm a wizard when it comes to this game, man. I'm a wizard, man.
Oh my God, Roger, stop,
Stop. Stop. Is anything the matter?
Sorry, there's something I need to get there.
Oh, really?
So you still not collected that dress? I'm sure they must have sold it out by now.
No, I don't think so. Baby.
Yeah.
Can I get 70 Ghana cedis?
Oh, 70 Ghana cedis. Oh. Okay, no problem. No problem.
Okay, thank you.
Roger, are you mad? Eh? How can you give a girl 70 Ghana cedis for a dress? Eh? Wait, look. Can you get a shirt of 30 Ghana cedis for yourself?
I said, cool down. Eh? What's your problem? Listen, first impression is very, very important. It is vital in any relationship. Trust me. You know I'm a master when it comes to this game. I'm a don. Watch me.
Spend money on hair
to get what I want. Listen, that thing between her thighs, her legs, I must get it. I need it. I want it. Listen, because of that thing, I could deny my mother straight.
Roger,
I swear to you. They're coming.
Sweetheart.
Yes, babe.
Can I get 20 Ghana cedis more?
Eh?
There's something she needs to get there. Come on, just do it for her.
Why not? How much?
20.
20.
Thank you.
I'm finished. Bro, I'm done. All I'm left with is 5 Ghana cedis. What am I going to do with that? Bro, I know you got some, man. Just borrow me some money, man. I'll give you on campus.
Roger, any more word from you, and I swear to God, I'll fight you with my last breath.
Oh, what?
Roger, if you know what is good for you, leave these girls, let's go.
Forget those girls. Are you crazy? What is wrong with you? Don't even tell me that. Do you know how much I've invested in them? I must get to my destination. Listen, bro, the money I have spent on them, I can use it for the whole semester. The whole semester. Besides, don't forget, quitters don't win. Winners don't quit. I am not a loser, so I cannot let them go. I must win.
Roger,
I'm no loser. Hello, Barry. Your girl's okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, please don't mention it. Don't mention it. I have done nothing yet. This is nothing. See, you are about to feel me. And you are about to love me and also enjoy me. I am made out of sugar. R to the O, J-E-R, Roger, King of Kings and Sons Limited. Girl, I'm so fresh. You ain't got no problem. Let me hold that for you. Excuse me. Bartender, what's the bill for table 3?
140 Ghana cedis only.
140 Ghana cedis?
Yes, sir.
Why? Was I feeding the football stadium? Anyway, we have a bit of some situation here based on the fact that we just noticed that we have been robbed.
Oh, sorry.
And due to that, we might not be able to pay you cash right here. But then I'm depositing these 3 expensive phones to you. So if I bring the money tomorrow, I just take my phones.
Well, then I have to have a look at them.
By noon tomorrow, you will have your money.
Very well.
No doubt.
Okay, if you say so, I'll keep them. But you really have to come on time.
Don't worry.
Thank you.
Deal.
Okay then.
All right. Okay. Thank you very much.
You too.
Okay. I hope you're enjoying yourselves.
Would like to leave now.
The food is very nice. Could we take some takeaway back home too?
Sorry we don't have enough money on us right now. You know, we didn't really plan for this.
Don't worry, we're okay.
Okay then.
You know, I would still like to see more of your face. I like your lips, and I would like to kiss them, you know. They are very inviting.
Kiss.
Yes, baby.
You think I go around kissing every girl on the street, huh? Have you brushed your teeth today? Who'd you want to fool? Eve? Who'd you want to fool? You think you can come around with a rented car and come and flex, huh? I've used that car several times for parties. You even have a fake ass accent. R-O-G-E-R, loser, right hand.
You see your foolishness? See your foolishness? I told you.
250 Ghana cedis.
After all, this is what we get.
Naj, are you okay?
I'm not. Joe is not picking up my calls. I can't bear his silence. I'm gradually losing my breath. Caesar, I still love him.
Naj, you're not engaged to a man of honor, a royal princehood, a peculiar person, a dream of every woman, rich and handsome. You should start loving him.
Love is where the mind is. My mind is on Joe. I can't stop loving him.
What is it about that guy that is driving you crazy? Is it because he's half caste? I'm sorry to say this, but that guy is a wretch. He can't take care of you.
I agree that he's wretched. But in his heart, I live in a castle never built in this world. I feed on meals never produced in this world. My joy in him knows no boundary. What else do I want?
Forget him and start up a new life with Jerry. I'm sure you will love him.
I hope so. Father's planning to take me to an orphanage outside town till I put to bed. I want to keep this baby. It'll be the only memory of Joe that I'll live with for the rest of my life.
Like the moon, you've lighted up the darkness in my heart, and thus bringing me new meaning to my life. I love you.
There's no star on the horizon my heart craves for, but those that I see in your eyes.
What do you see in them?
In those eyes, I see myself in a glorious world, and each time I melt in your arms, I feel like this world is ours. Keep loving me like this forever, Joe.
I will.
Keep loving me like this forever, Joe.
Hey, J-O-E. My homeboy, J-O-E. What's happening, son? What's me up, man? Man, I got a problem. Bro, I said your homeboy got trouble.
Drop it, Roger. Just drop it, okay? I'm not in a good mood. Why won't you be in trouble when you're always being fake? Your whole life is just fake. Everyone on the streets know how fake you are, and yet you don't even know the airport.
Bro, with that ain't no girls. But I don't even understand you, man. You ain't acting like my dog Pound. You ain't acting like my dog, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's up, son?
What's the problem?
Man, it's Benjamin. Benjamin. He been playing a lot of tricks and games with me, and I'm tired of it. I need money. M-O-N-E-Y. And that is called money. And Joe, I need you to borrow me money.
I'm sorry, I don't have anything for you.
What?
I don't have money.
Man, call her, man. Tell her something. Tell her you need money. You cannot have such a girlfriend and be here playing guitar on an empty stomach, bro. What are you talking about? Can't you feel the sounds of the guitar in your stomach? Huh? It's saying, I need food. I need money. Man, you're crazy. You're not making good use of your lucks. Neither are you making good use of your chances. What are you talking about? If I were you now, I'd be in serious cash. I'd be in dough. I'd be in pounds. I'd be bouncing. What are you talking about? You know I got brains, son.
Shut up, Roger. Just shut up, okay? Me playing a guitar on an empty stomach is not part of your business. I don't have any money. Roger, just leave. Just leave me alone.
J-O-E, bro. You know what we do, man? Just holler me 2 Ghana cities, bro, for breakfast.
Roger.
Hey, Quack!
Roger.
Hey, Quack! What's up, bro? How you doing, man? What, the girls, they're calling my name, man? The girls, they're feeling my name?
Look, there's a big time deal to be done.
What's the deal about?
Look, Ajua, the one at admin department, she just called me. She's in a hotel with a white man.
Are you stupid? What's my fucking business with that? Look at this dude, man. Man, just allow me my 2 Ghana.
Roger! Look, the deal is that the white man is having a briefcase containing $2 million. $2 million.
That's good news. Fill me in, bro.
Look, now, she says I should organize guys from the ghetto. So we'll move in and pick the money fast.
Have you told anyone?
You know guys in the ghetto now.
$2 million. Big listen. You want me to bring guys from the ghetto? Are you crazy? Man, I was born in the ghetto, man. I was born in the ghetto. Man, we're doing this ourselves. $2 million. Joe, man, are you game for this?
Are you out of your mind? You want me to join you to steal? You're sick, both of you.
At least, I might be sick, but I'm better than you. At least I don't sit down on an empty stomach playing guitar. Listen, bro, this is not stealing. This is called runs, baby. Runs! You have to be brave to be rich, man. Joe, this could be our only chance to make it in life, Joe.
Over $2 million.
Think about it. $2 million. Man, we're done. Man, think, bro. Think. Oh, boy.
What if we're caught? What if we don't succeed?
If we get caught? Are you stupid? Do I look like a jail candidate? No way. Man, we will succeed. No matter what, we will succeed. We are not failures. You know what's going to happen? We're going to walk into the place, like we want to check in. We get in there, we have an informant there, so everything will go smooth. We get guns. Fake rubber guns, right? Yeah, they will do, man. We're busting there. Yo, shut up. Lie down. We pick the briefcase. Man, we're out of the place. Freeze!
my heart it rains, my teardrops running, running like a train. A life of pain and sorrow, it's a crying shame. Oh, I wish it would go away. Let me breathe again. My heart is heavy. Oh, this broken dream, it seems so scary, and my legs are weak. How could I ever lose you? How could true love fail? Oh, I will always love you till the end. My love is calling out your name. My heart is yearning for a change. Could be I must be dreaming. All these gloomy days, your love will always be till my Your love is hurting. In my heart it rains, my teardrops run.